Get ready. Let's get ready for a wedding that's happening right now. That has started. I went in with the NARS foundation, the light reflecting one, and I just did that with my hands because apparently NARS product are supposed to be applied by your, well, at least I think it's the foundation for sure. So I did that, and now I'm going in with this blush in Torrid. This will be really interesting. I'm like worried about like flash photography, even though I'm not really gonna be taking pictures. But still, I'm like, is it gonna show up like weird? I think I want to do a really bright under eye, and I think I'm gonna start using brushes. And I'm gonna use another. I'm gonna go in with another blush that I prefer. Oh my gosh, is all my makeup in this bag? Yeah, it is. Wow. Excuse the chaos because I'm rushing. Okay. Oh my gosh. Blend and it'll all work out. I hope so. Not gonna lie though, these chaotic makeup coming out really well. You just gotta trust the process. I already laid my brows down, so I don't gotta do that again. This looks crazy. I know this looks crazy, but we're gonna something's gonna happen. Something's gonna shake. And then set with pressed powder for, I know this looks like super crazy, but just trust the process. We're gonna set with pressed powder. You see, it's already looking better. Or am I delusional? I feel like pressed powder doesn't press the way that it used to when I started doing makeup. Like, I don't know. Is it what I'm using or my technique that has changed? And then a little bit slight chisel. Not too much. Slight chisel. I don't want to run out my upper lip just yet. Are we gonna blend out the nose? A little bit. A little snatchuation. But yeah, this powder, I got this at the dollar store, but this is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum. I'm pretty sure it's a foundation. And yeah, amazing. Again, slight chisel. Okay, now I need to go in perimeter. Where is my darker powder? It's okay. We're just gonna go with the foundation shade for now. I guess it would be fine because my foundation shade is darker than my what's it called? Is it? Or so I thought. I'm not sure anymore. Okay. I thought my foundation shade, it is a little bit, but it's not giving the harshness that I want. There we go. I look crazy, but trust the process. Trust the process. Also, my neck does not match my face, so that also is like can be jarring sometimes. Little snatchuation of the nose, something like though. Diffuse, blend. See, you didn't believe me in the beginning when I said trust the process. I think I want to set. Do I want to do? Actually, we'll do cool tone. Let's do a pink. Pink under eye set. Powders are my friend. I need to be dry so that when I get oily, the powder is there. Yo, you ever go to an event and the cameraman just like they get to you and then they just stay on you and you're like, this is awkward. I'm a little too snatched. This is not my event. But I blame the camera person. Stay focused on your job. I'm gonna say sir because it usually is. But stay focused on your job. It's not my fault. Okay. Or like the anxiety of like maybe the flashback is just there and you're like, sir. Or when you're eating too, no consideration. Yeah, I think my brows should be. My brows are coming out nice, so I had to show you guys. I think I'm not letting this product sit enough usually. Cause what is this? This is literally the brows I have in one of my favorite makeup looks that I did. My brows look. It's so easy to look kept when the product actually dries down because I actually figured out how to use the product properly. User error. I just feel like I don't know, in my head it's like it's not gonna dry down if I put my foundation and stuff, but it did. So I don't know what I was. I still like. I like a bushy brown, not too kept. Not too kept. Okay. What was I doing? I don't even remember. That's sickening. That's sickening. We're just gonna press this under eye powder in and everything else too. Just press it in. I'm not sure if it's looking too light or am I just looking that unreal? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We said we're gonna do something like we're not gonna. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do like the African style of makeup, like African artists. You know how they do like the kohl liner, or maybe I should just leave it like this, and then I'll put on my lashes. Okay, nope. There's oily part. I don't want any shine. No shine, shine, go away. Okay, or maybe I might do. I'll be like, am I gonna do my natural lashes? I don't know. Why am I here contemplating this stuff like I actually have time? Wow, that was a big one. That was like not supposed to be big intentionally. Oh, where is my. No, I'm doing my makeup. I'm doing my makeup. I'm doing my makeup. Oh my gosh. Glue in my eye. Oh my gosh. Okay, but that under eye is really set because you can barely tell. Kudos. Oh, this actually takes the warmth out of it. It makes it more cool toned. Wow. See? In these moments of pressure, a diamond is made. And I'm learning things on how to use my products better. Okay, low key though, that kind of eats already, and I could put like a gloss on top. That kind of. This is chaotic. Sorry, we're not usually like this. Or maybe we are. I can't remember. I feel like these lashes are really good in general, but like if you're in a rush, you don't really gotta blend them because they already blend with my lashes. So that's good. It and I like them too because I don't have to put on eyeshadow. It kind of already. You see the difference? Minus the spillage glue on the lids. I like the way this one sprays a lot more than the other one. You ever do your makeup and you just look unreal? Like, I don't know if it's actually catching on camera, but like I do my makeup sometimes. I'm like, who's looking back at me? Like I'm looking at me in the mirror, but I'm asking, who are you? Because I don't recognize the person. I don't recognize the person. We might just do concealer lips, honestly. Or where's this bag? It's big. No, we don't do concealer lips. I still have not picked out an outfit, so look that for me. If my lash is hanging off, I will take care of it later. Okay. On the side, I literally almost applied some. Give me a break. Why is it not not? Let me go pick out an outfit. I found an outfit. I've never tied my hair like this before. No, I'm sorry. I don't have a tutorial. I feel like someone's gonna ask. I just like have like a base that I do. Yeah. So and then the Sephora lip plumper. I was gonna go back and like put something on my eyes, but I feel like the clothes is so bright anyways that like it's already offsetting the makeup. Not offsetting the makeup, but it's already, you know, like it's already doing enough. I don't need eyeshadow or anything. I was looking for my cute little. I have this light. I don't. It's my mother's, but this light pink, because you know the different shades of pink. But yeah, I feel like this kind of looks like a rose, and I'm kind of digging the what did I just ruin it? The avant-garde look. But yeah, this is the look. This is the outfit. I gotta get my mom to button up. But yeah, and we're out.